Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have Erin with me again and we just finished making our DIY bleach wipes. And now we're going to make our DIY disinfectant wipes. And the difference between DIY disinfectant wipes and DIY bleach wipes are nothing but rubbing alcohol and dish soap and no bleach. That's it. So, all right, let's get started. So I got another one of these little awesome dollar store things, containers. So we have that. And of course you'll need water again. So we have this. You want to go ahead and put that in there.
Thinking ahead this time.
Yep. Always thinking.
There we go.
All right. Okay, so now we need 2 cups of water.
Water.
H2O.
Okay.
Okay, and then we need, how about you put in 1 tablespoon of, I'm trying to think. I guess it don't matter. So yeah, so do 1 tablespoon of the dish soap and kind of just put that in there. Good old Don. I mean, if we were really smart, we would have just put everything in the measuring cup all together so that it was mixed together and poured it over. But we don't think like that. We just kind of go with the flow.
I mean, it's whatever.
We just kind of...
It's all good.
We kind of just go with it, and see, I always think about things while I'm doing it.
Yep.
I'm like...
You guys can laugh.
Yes, because I'm like, oh, we should have put the water, the alcohol, and the dish soap all in there and then poured it in all at once. But
yeah,
no.
It's okay.
Do that.
It'll work. It'll work.
It'll work. Okay. And then now you need 1 cup of the rubbing alcohol. And this is what's going to be the disinfectant.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that'll just kind of get everything down. No, not really.
That's okay. We'll just shake it. I mean, see? I don't know if you can really see it, but I mean, all the dish soap kind of just...
It's okay.
It's good. We're so smart.
Oh.
It works.
It'll be fine. It's kind of bleeding down a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I can't see it because of the camera.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. But yeah, this will be really good, and with the alcohol and the dish soap and everything like that. And yeah, I mean,
very cheap.
Very
disinfectant
cheap
wipes.
Disinfectant wipes. And what did this take? 2 seconds to make?
Yes.
2 seconds. And I'm just happy that you had the rubbing alcohol here, because with this stupid coronavirus, good luck finding it.
No, I've had that for a long time. Thank God.
I know.
I know.
So, all right. Well, there you have it. Our DIY disinfectant wipes. What?
It's all on the top.
I know. Well, okay. So
you guys just do it different when you do it.
Okay, so when you do it, if you can see ours, okay, so ours, when you do it, pour everything into your measuring bowl. Damn dogs again, I tell ya. When you do it, pour the dish soap, the water, and the alcohol. Shut up! When you do it, pour the dish soap, the alcohol, and the water all into the thing and pour it in. Don't be like us.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna end up with your dish soap stuck to the top of your...
I mean, it'll still work. It's just gonna be a little soapy for a while.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you could just go in and like
Yeah.
squish it, I guess.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's got alcohol in there, so no matter what, it's gonna work. So
Yeah, the thing that you want is the alcohol in there. So, yeah. So, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed us being blonde. And yeah, so, all right. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below if you do try this and if you end up
doing it the right way.
Doing it the right way. All right. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.